Tie-dye clothing is most popular fashion statement of 2020. Everyone on internet are tie-dyeing their clothes. Celebrities and YouTubers are wearing tie-dye clothing. Then why shouldn't we draw it? Hi guys, I am Aishwarya and welcome back to Artistic Goals. Today I will be showing you how to draw tie-dye patterns with watercolors within 3 steps. First on square, second on simple shirt and third on a model. Let's get into the video. If you watch these 3 steps of drawing spiral tie-dye, then at the end of this video I assure you that you will learn to draw tie-dye as well. To make things simple, let's start with a square and grab a yellow color on your brush. As you can see on the screen, you have to flick your brush on the circular path to create the spiral. One thing to remember while drawing it, that you have to keep your brush very loose in your hand. After completing the circle with one color, grab your second color and start doing the same thing. Your second line with second color has to hug the first line you made. Don't be afraid to stay in lines with making the circles, because as tie-dye is really random pattern that your mistakes can be hidden by it. Now grab your third color of your choice and do the same. Painting the spiral patterns is just the process of doing one thing again and again and again. To get that blended look, you have to work fast with your colors. Two colors mix with each other to give that seamless random look. Don't worry about making the strokes of brush same, because the tie-dye pattern is all about the imperfections. Just don't forget to get in the circular path. You can do this same technique with any other coloring medium you love. Oil pastels, colored pencils, poster colors, acrylics, anything can be worked with this method. Use as many colors as you want in the spiral tie-dye pattern. There's nothing right or wrong with choosing your colors. These spiral patterns can be with only one color and its shades, or multicolored. It's up to you. If you are using any water-based medium, don't use too much water, which will make the colors running. Okay, so we are at this part that you know how to make the pattern. You just have to make it on the shirt. Let's do that right now. Do a rough sketch of any t-shirt, as you can see, and start making pattern on it. I would like to repeat that you can use any colors you want. As you can see, I started out with orange rather than yellow here. Now you have to do same process of making patterns on the t-shirt. For this tutorial, I am using my Camlin watercolors and watercolor brushes. You can also use the traditional brushes for the coloring part. I personally prefer how I can adjust the water flow of the water brushes than traditional brushes. That's why I use it. You can use any brushes which you are familiar with. As the drawing we are coloring is flat, we don't have to worry about any shadows or highlights. But if you are drawing any 3D part like dress on model, then you have to think about all shadows and highlights on the spiral pattern. If you are so far getting value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I also have an Instagram page for art. I will link it in the description below. You can also give me follow there for more art and creativity. To give finishing touches to it, I gave a line art to this shirt. Now you know how to draw a spiral pattern, you know how to draw it on a shirt, so why shouldn't we try it on a drawing? Now I will let you carefully watch how I am painting it, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Here are the finished pieces we made today. Now that you have learned how to draw spiral patterns, don't forget to draw it on your drawings and tag me on Instagram at artistic_goals__. I would love to see your guys' creations. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you have any questions about it, go and comment that. I will reply to them for sure. For more of my art content, you can give me follow. I will link my Instagram in the description. Here are few videos that you would love, and as well as a playlist that you would enjoy to watch. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.